Hi there, Edison here, and I've got some great news about flexing and dropping excess weight. No, this isn't a YouTube fitness channel. We're talking about SuperFlex post top and FlexColor Ballard retrofits from Light Efficient Design. Check it out! SuperFlex post tops are designed to replace existing HID lamps from 175 to 400 watts. Onboard switches let you select between 3 wattages and 3 color temperatures. They're smaller than ever too, as we focused on the envelope size of the lamps they replace, so fit is never an issue. Looking pretty slim there, SuperFlex! And if you need a lean, mean lighting machine, check out our FlexColor Ballards. They're designed to replace 50 to 150 watt HID lamps and fit in the smallest spaces. Plus, they switch between 3 color temperatures too. Talk about a crowd pleaser. We're doing a lot of flexing, but we're not bulking up your warehouse. In fact, we're trimming it down by dropping from 45 SKUs to 9. Yep, just 9. I can hear buyers and inventory managers rejoicing around the world. All of our retrofits also feature a 5-year warranty, enclosed fixture safe, operating temperatures from -40 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, flexible mounting, and a 360-degree beam angle with top LEDs. We've spent years designing the most flexible, high-quality screw-in retrofits on the market so that installation is worry-free. From a fast food chain in Hawaii to the University of Nottingham, our innovative retrofits are saving energy and brightening the world.